Hi friends, in this video I am presenting some banking current affairs questions and answers based on last 3 months which are very much useful for upcoming IBPS Clerks and IBPS RRB exams. On which act the Income Tax Department will punish the people who will deposit their unaccounted old currency notes in some others' bank accounts. Benami Transactions Act. If anybody violates this, it will cause them to pay penalty, prosecution and enforce them to jail for maximum 7 years. According to Ambit Capital, the Indian GDP growth will decrease to dash percent from 7.3% in the financial year 2018 due to demonetization of currency notes, 5.8%. RBI policy rates latest update. Bank rate 6.75%, repo rate 6.25%, reverse repo rate 5.75% and cash reserve ratio CRR 4% and SLR statutory liquidity ratio 20.75% and marginal standing facility MSF 6.75%. How much amount of black money was disclosed by the Indian Finance Minister under Income Declaration Scheme in the form of cash and other assets in 2016? 65,250 crores. In which year the currency notes of value rupees 5,000 and rupees 10,000 were demonetized, which were introduced in the year 1954? January 1978. Name the portal which was launched by RBI to curb illegal money by filing complaints on black money, illegal pooling of money. Search at rbi.org.in. Name the three economists who are appointed to the Monetary Policy Committee by the Union Government. Chetan Ghate, Pami Dua and Ravindra Dholakia. Name the mobile app launched by Karnataka Bank that was built on Unified Payments Interface of National Payments Corporation of India, KBL Smarts. RBI has imposed penalty on which four cooperative banks for violating its norms? Cooperative City Bank, Indapur Urban Cooperative Bank, Sri Dada Saheb Gajmal Cooperative Bank, Modern Urban Cooperative Bank. Friends, to get more videos on bank exams, please click on subscribe button. The ECB limit set by RBI for the startup organizations for the maturity period of 3 years, $3 million. ECB is the amount borrowed from foreign sources to invest in the commercial activities in India other than equity capital are called external commercial borrowings. Which is the first Indian bank to open branch in Yangon, the capital city of Myanmar? State Bank of India. This is the 54th overseas branch of State Bank of India. Which is the social media banking platform that was launched by State Bank of India for Facebook and Twitter users? SBI Mingle. Which is the India's first firm to get debt recast under RBI's new scheme for sustainable structuring of stressed assets, S4A? Hindustan Construction Company. Which is the first bank to introduce software robotics for power banking operations? ICICI Bank. Who is the 24th Governor of RBI appointed in August 2016? Mr. Urjit Patil. Who was the newly appointed Deputy Governor of the RBI in 2016? N.S. Viswanathan. Who is appointed as new Executive Director of the RBI in place of N.S. Viswanathan? Sudarshan Sen. Name the 6 banks which were got approval to merge with State Bank of India with itself in August 2016. State Bank of Hyderabad, State Bank of Mysore, State Bank of Travancore, State Bank of Bikaner, State Bank of Jaipur and Bharatiya Mahila Bank. Which city has been considered as wealthiest city in India? Mumbai. Which is the most valuable brand of India in the list of top 50 valuable brands report? HDFC. Who is the newly appointed Managing Director and CEO of SBI Mutual Fund? Anuradha Rao. Who was appointed as the chairman of LIC after replacement of S.K. Roy in 17 September 2016? V.K. Sharma. Who is the newly elected chairman of Indian Bank Association for the financial year 2016-17? Rajiv Rishi. Who is the newly appointed non-executive chairman of the fifth largest private sector bank, Yes Bank? Ashok Chawla. Which committee was set up to study the various issues in the household finances in India? Tarun Ramdorai Committee. What is the inflation target fixed by the Union government for the next 5 years till March 31st, 2021? 4%. Karnataka Bank inked with which organization for distributing the mutual fund products? Birla Sun Life Asset Management Company. Which country is at the top position in milk production? India. 18.5% of world's production is from India. Federal Bank has tied up with which mobile banking application for providing cashless transactions? Chiller. Andhra Bank has launched 3-in-1 online investment and trading platform by collaborating with Geojit BNB Paribas Financial Services, ABE Trade. Central Bank has banned the cash transactions over dash worth to curb black money in India. 3 lakh over 3 lakh rupees. Which private sector bank has tied up with IT company IBM to provide cloud commerce solutions? IndusInd Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank has been tied up with which e-commerce online shopping portal to pay air tickets, hotel bills, bus tickets by expanding banks in-app shop M-Store? Flipkart. Syndicate Bank has launched which project to improve digital banking services? Ananya. Syndicate Bank has launched which project to improve digital banking services? Ananya. Friends, if you like my videos and to watch more videos and latest bank exam updates on free basis, please click on subscribe button. Please subscribe to get my latest updates directly into your mail. Please subscribe.